Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome to Mugdad Studios. I hope you're safe and sound. So, this is actress Preeti Singh Rajput here, and in this episode, I'm going to show you beautiful fancy sarees, beautiful fancy designer sarees, Andy. So, you can see I have worn a designer saree here. Such a lovely blue color saree this is, and we have got white color floral prints. And you can see the border వచ్చేసి sequence work వచ్చాయి, beautiful thread work వచ్చాయి. This is a tussar silk material, and you've got a beautiful designer blouse. So let me show you the sarees which are on Mannequin. So this side we have a black and white saree. This is a very beautiful black saree. Ikkada we have got sequence borders lo sequence work వచ్చాయి. Even all over the saree we have got these sequence work, and this is an organza material only. And beautiful designer blouse along with that. And here's a beautiful lighter shade of green color saree. This is a georgette material, and we have got beautiful thread work, sequence work, pearl work. So as and when I'll show you the sarees, just take a screenshot and send it to us, and we will assist you for processing your orders only. And this is the next saree, lighter shade of grey color, and this is an organza material. The beautiful pearl work uchai, and all over the saree very lighter design pearl work. Borders lo we have got heavy design only. So cut finish border chudandi, we have got this cut finish border, kardanas and pearl work and thread work, beautiful florals and leaves, and same here as well. Pearl work is just amazing. This is the pallu, and blouse వచ్చేసి we have got this blouse only. So neck design kuda icharu so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price for this saree is 20,800. So very beautiful fancy designer sarees only. So here goes the next saree. Same pattern design lo vachai. This is a beautiful lavender color. And look at the saree, chinna chinna potis all over the saree, and borders వచ్చేసి చాలా గ్రాండ్ లుక్ వచ్చాయి బోర్డర్స్లో. యూ కెన్ సీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్, ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ వర్క్, పర్ల్ వర్క్, కట్ ఫినిష్ బోర్డర్, సీక్వెన్స్ అండ్ కర్దానాస్. దిస్ సైడ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ బోర్డర్, థ్రెడ్ వర్క్, పర్ల్స్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ హ్యాండ్ వర్క్ అండి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫినిషింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ, ద పల్లు పార్ట్. And the blouse వచ్చేసి designer blouse we have got like this. So the neck and the back design వచ్చాయి, so that you can stitch it accordingly. 20,800 is the price. So the next one is a beautiful yellow color. Such an amazing design, beautiful handwork adi. So look at this body of the saree here. Such a beautiful work, pearls వచ్చాయి, kardanas. Look at this netted cloth to design చేశారు. Such a lovely hand work this has got. And borders, so this is the border with pearl work. This is an organza material only. Very lovely saree. This is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. So neck design icharu so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price of this saree is 10,599. The next saree is a darker shade of navy blue color. Very beautiful saree. This is organza material only. So look at this grand design on the borders, and here beautiful sequence to kardanas to floral design చేశారు. Pearls all over the saree, borders, cut finish border, beautiful sequence, kardanas, pearl work, floral design. This has got it. Both the borders are same, and here also we have got the same finishing border. And the saree blouse వచ్చేసి, okay, this is the blouse of the saree. we have got this beautiful design అండి. Netted blouse వచ్చాయి. And the price for this saree is 19,999. So all the beautiful ladies, all you have to do is just take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us, and we will assist you for processing your orders. And we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers here so that you can make the payment online. So here goes the next saree. This is an organza material, lighter shade of pink color, very lighter shade of baby pink color andi. So beautiful handwork. Look at the details, pearls, kardanas, thread loop, beautiful handwork వచ్చాయి all over the saree. Borders are same both the sides and such lovely borders. Look at this handwork, floral design, kardana sequence, pearls. So very beautiful saree this is. And this is an organza material, so very lightweight material, easy to carry. Finishing, that was the finishing of the saree. And coming to the blouse, we have this blouse only. Beautiful netted low, chala beautiful work వచ్చాయి. So neck design ఇచ్చారు so that you can stitch it accordingly. 19,999 is the price. Next saree, it's a very lovely color. It's a different shade of pink anamata. So all over the saree you have got thread work, chinna booties వచ్చాయి, and border side lo you can see such lovely design, cut finish border, pearls, kardanas, jardosi. The borders are very grand anamata. Pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this andi. Very beautiful blouse designing icharu. And the price of the saree is 25,600. So the next saree, this is an amazing saree, lighter shade of blue low. So pearls వచ్చాయండి, all over the saree pearl work వచ్చాయి. And borders, both the borders are same cut finish borders. So beautiful pearl design, kardanas and sequence though, floral design icharu, leaf design icharu. Such a beautiful handwork andi. Cut finish border. This is the look of the pallu. Same border. And the blouse is like this. Beautiful design. So that you can stitch it accordingly. Price of this saree is 21,600. So here goes the next saree. So anybody who's looking for cream and white shade, this is the best option. So lace finish border uchai, and all over the saree you can see this beautiful pearl design. Thread work, embroidery work. It's a beautiful pearl work and all over the saree. Pallu of the saree is like this. Finishing, and the blouse of this saree is like this. Beautiful design. And the price of this saree is 10,599. So here goes the next saree. So another saree in white, lighter shade of white. It's again a lighter shade of cream. So you can see multi-colors here. So look at the borders. We have got blue, green, pink sequence lo work వచ్చాయండి, zardosi and pearls. Cut finish border, pearls though. And on the left hand side, it's beautiful same borders andi. Beautiful floral design, sequence tho icharu. Lovely handwork, and the finishing of the saree is like this. The pallu and blouses. So net lo blouse వచ్చాయండి with beautiful neck design and arms design so that you can stitch it accordingly. Price of the saree is 19,999. So all the beautiful ladies, మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి, and our sales team మీకు definitely respond చేస్తారు for processing your orders. also shipping internationally apart from shipping all over India. So here goes the next saree. This is an organza material, lilac color, beautiful embroidery. So look at this, all over the saree, floral motifs, look beautiful embroidery, ochai pearls, look. You can see pink color flower pearls here, white pearls. Sequence stone kuda flowers chesaru. And cut finish border with pearls and jardosi. Such a lovely saree this is. This is the finishing, the pallu. The blouse is like this. Beautiful design. Netted blouse with designer check. The price of this saree is 20,800. Next saree is a beautiful yellow color saree only. This is organza material. And all over the saree, very beautiful chinna booty sequence to chesaru. And look at the borders, cut finish border, same borders both the sides. So with sequence they have made this beautiful pink color, pearls work, jardosi, kardana, finishing cut finish border. It's a very beautiful saree. This is the pallu. So lovely designers collection, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse. We have got this beautiful neck design only, so that you can stitch it as per the design. And the price of the saree is 21,600. So next saree. So this is a khadi color saree. Beautiful lighter shade of green khaki color and sequence work lo flowers icharu. Lovely border, cut finish border, sequence, floral design, kardanas. This is a finishing pallu. Same work vachayandi, same design, and blouse vachesi. So this is the blouse only. Beautiful neck design icharu, so that you can stitch it accordingly. 21,600 is the price. So the next saree, this is organza material. Beautiful embroidery work. You can see pearls to, kardanas to chesaru. Sequence also. Lovely floral design in mata. Cut finish border. Pallu is like this. And the blouse is, so this is how the blouse is. Netted blouse with beautiful design and the price of the saree is 20,800. Here goes the next saree. This is lilac color again, and this is the organza material. It's a beautiful embroidery, pearl work look. Look at this beautiful work. Cut finish border, kardanas, achai, pearl work, pink and white flowers. Cut finish border. Pallu is like this. This is the look of the blouse. Sorry, this is the look of the blouse. So here's the design. Sorry, this is the look of the blouse. Beautiful neck design chudandi. You can stitch it as per the design and the price of this saree is 20,800. Here goes the next saree in lighter shade of baby pink color. This is organza material. Beautiful embroidery, pearl work look. So both the sides borders are same, and middle body of the saree vachesi very simple pearl work vachai, and borders have got heavy work and you can see the pearl. Beautiful thread finishing, jardosi, kardanas. Lovely saree. This is the pallu is like this. The blouse is like this.
और करो।
एक मिनट. This is the blouse. Beautiful neck design icharu, so that you can stitch it accordingly. Price వచ్చేసి 14,799. So this is a black color organza material, black color saree and beautiful fancy design saree. So all over the saree plain design achai, extra design raaledu, pearl work, simple pearl work. Borders are very highlighting. The beautiful kardanas and pearl work, sequence and cut finish. You can see pink color, white color pearls have been used. It's looking very lovely. This is the finishing of the saree. And the blouse is like this. So this is the blouse. So this is the netted blouse. Look, beautiful neck design. Pearl work. Price of the saree is 14,799. So all the beautiful ladies, మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని any of these numbers కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి and we will definitely assist you అండి for processing your orders. So here goes the orange color saree. Very simple pearl design, pearl work all over the saree. Borders are like beautiful borders, cut finish borders. You can see you have got this flower design with pearls. So pearl work lo basically flower design icharu. Cut finish border. This is the pallu. Blouse is like this, beautiful pearl work. And the price is 13,999. 13,999. Next saree is a lovely yellow color. So ikkada cross lines designs vachayi and golden zari border vachayandi. So if you see the details here, it's a lovely mirror work and jardosi. So beautiful mirror work lo vachayi. And small dots, just golden dots. Pallu is like this. We've got beautiful tassels. Blouse is like this. And the price is 17,600. Here goes the next saree in organza color. Organza material, sorry. Lighter shade of blue color. So all over the saree chinna motifs vachayi, and borders you have got same borders, cut finish borders. Look at this beautiful embroidery, thread work lo, pearls lo, sequence lo, jardosi. And the pallu is like this. Blouse vachesi, this is the look of the blouse and this is the blouse. Price of this saree is 25,600. And here goes the next saree, lighter shade of baby pink color. All over the saree, simple pearl design, pearl work. Borders look beautiful, floral work, pearls and kardanas though. Cut finish border again. So look at this cut finish border. Organza material and this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi, this is the blouse. So netted material lo blouse icharu, and this is the neck and the front and the back. And the price of this saree is 13,999. So please take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us on any of these contact numbers, and we will assist you for processing your orders. So we are also shipping internationally and apart from shipping all over India. Here goes a beautiful saree. It's a very lovely color, lilac color, and same jardosi and mirror work plus cross lines vachayi, leaf pattern lo, golden zari border. This is the pallu, tassels vachayi. and the price of this saree is 17,600. This is the next saree, blue color and the same pattern. So you have got cross line designs, low leaf motifs, golden zari border, mirror work achai and golden prints on it. This is the pallu with beautiful tassels. This is the blouse. Price of the saree is 17,600. Next saree is a lovely yellow color saree. Organza material and the checks design. And you can see this beautiful Bhuta Patti design. Golden zari borders. And the pallu is like this. And we have got a free size blouse. This is the blouse and this is the front and this is the back. Bandhani design on chai. And the price of the saree is 12,800. So the next saree ochesi beautiful zigzag. So ikkada kardanas and sequence borders lo వచ్చాయి. So you have the zigzags in red and yellow and white and black color. Green color kuda వచ్చాయి. Borders lo we have got sequence and kardanas both the sides. Very simple and beautiful saree this is. This is the pallu and blouse వచ్చేసి sequence blouse వచ్చాయండి. So this is the blouse, full sequence work. This is the front and this is the back. Free size blouse. And the price of the saree is 19,200. So here goes the next saree in lighter shade of pink color. Check smoke, it's golden zari work though. Bhuta Patti design of chai, golden zari borders. Pallu is like this. And we have got double blouse. So this is a designer blouse front. Bhuta Patti design, this is the back. Price of the saree is 12,800. Red color saree, golden zari work low, checks or chai, Bhuta Patti design, golden zari border. Pallu is like this. So tassels kuda vachayandi on the pallu. And the blouse for this saree, this is a beautiful designer blouse and bandhani design vachai. This is the front. This is the back. And the price for this saree is 12,800. Here goes the next saree. So this is Georgette material. Such a lovely saree. This is very beautiful body hugging material only. So you can see pearls and beautiful thread work all over the saree. And borders so we have got this stone work. The pallu is like this. So beautiful design. And the price of the saree so the price of the saree is 11,200 and the blouse chesi. This is how the blouse is. You have got this blouse. So let me show you the next saree now. So this is also Georgette material and the body hugging material this is, and we have got this lovely design. So you can see the pearl work and thread work. So very comfortable sari, body hugging material. Borders with stone works ochai, pearls ochai, thread ochai. The pallu is like this. Same work on the pallu andi, and this is the blouse. Beautiful designer blouse. 9,600 is the price. Next sari. Beautiful netted sari. So we have got stone works on the borders, and body of the sari is plain. Look at this beautiful work on it. It's a netted work, floral motifs, and lace finishing, satin finishing ochai. This is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. Beautiful blouse. And the price of this sari is 12,800. So the next one is a Georgette material adi. Beautiful embroidery work. You can see the details, thread work, pearl work, stone work. Cut finish border, stone work, kardanas. This is the pallu. So this is the pallu and the same finishing ochai on the pallu as well. And this is the blouse. Beautiful neck design, charu, so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price of this sari, I will get back to you. The sales team will get back to you while ordering it. They will assist you with the price. And let me show you the chart once again. So these are the contact numbers where you have to contact us for placing the orders, and these are the Google Pay numbers where you have to transfer the payment online. And we are shipping internationally as well. So that's all for now from beautiful designer fancy sarees collection. I will soon get back to you with another collection. So till then, take care. Bye bye.